I'm Cy Morgan, and I make sculptural things and installation things. I'm most at home making things when I'm not sure what the thing that I'm making is. The themes that I instinctually come back to are playing with how big or small something is, not just physically, but how big or small does it feel, what can it evoke. So while materials at one scale behave excellently and I can do whatever I need to with them, as soon as they scale up and they're kind of going from like 2 dimensions to 3 dimensions, then they start to like have problems, and on the way to the solution is where I usually situate the work. If somebody were to come across my work and not be familiar with it or me or anything, I would have a very satisfied response to feelings of dislocation. Finding another way into an unfamiliar or unconventional space would be something that I would like any viewer of my work to walk away with. I think the inevitable failure of materials, of the world itself, socially and physically constantly needing to be built up upon itself and iterated because it's crumbling below as ideas and ways are abandoned and forgotten about, and new ones needing to come into existence to meet challenges and fill spaces. It's the only thing I'm interested in. Material failure is a constant in my thinking when I come to approaching any work that I make. I think a lot about the physical and societal structures that contain artworks, because like once you kind of like spill them out, they don't really mean anything. Once they're outside of the society that created them, they lose almost everything except what can be guessed about them, and maybe they'll have some meaning for someone else in 5,000 years, but most things aren't gonna last that long.